You can make this paper kite hang in the air with the help of a magnet. You will require a rubber slipper, some thread, some paper and other odd materials. First make a double kite from paper, then apply glue in the middle. Let the glue dry for a little while and then fix a paper clip on the glue. Tie a thread to the paper clip. Now shut the double paper kite. The paper clip would be sandwiched between the kites. Take a rubber slipper and fix a strong stick at one end. Take two very strong magnets and stick them back to back at the top of the stick. Take a doll and fix it on the other end of the rubber slipper. Now take the kite with the thread, tie the thread to one end of the doll, and now take the kite near the magnets and the kite will just hang in the air. It will be separated from the magnets, but because of the pull of the magnet, the kite would be attracted to it.